guys, we're gonna make a slime video today. Nora loves making slime, right Nora? Even though we have tons of slime, she still loves making it. So the ingredients for slime are really simple. You have glue, any kind of brand is fine, and you can buy this special magic potion from Target, Walmart, even I've seen it at Walgreens. You can get this and you add it to the glue and it becomes slime.
What's the name?
Now this is magical liquid, it's called. If you don't have this, this is basically eye contact solution. Crazy, right? We also have that, but I'm gonna use this instead. So, if you have one of those ingredients at home, use it. If not, pick up one or two and you'll make slime. What are we gonna make?
Slime!
Yay! Are you so excited? All right, so these are the ingredients here, everyone. Glue and magical liquid. Now it says you need 2 tablespoons of this magical liquid. So you need, not tablespoons, teaspoons, sorry, 2 teaspoons of it and 1 whole container of the glue. All right, Nora, what are we making, Nora? Slime. What are we making, Abigail?
Slime!
Woohoo!
Mommy, can you help me?
All right, so first thing to do is open the glue
Mommy,
and dump it in the bowl, right, Nora?
I don't know.
Nora needs help. All right, let's help her. Look at that glue, Nora. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good.
It's making it everywhere.
It's making it everywhere. All right. Okay, Abigail's turn. She loves this part. She loves dumping things, pouring things. So, is this your favorite part, Abigail? All right, Nora's status. Got it all? Whoa. Ah. And so as you see, I put a towel on the table because things are messy. And that's okay. It's okay to be messy, right? It's fun to be messy. Oh, what's next? Okay, now we need to get this magical liquid. All right, so we need 2 teaspoons of this magic liquid. And so that's actually 5 ml. So Nora's going to pour it in till it gets to 5, right, Nora?
It's not on.
All right, it's not on 5. Let's see.
Me first.
Abigail's gonna go next, right, Abigail? Okay, Nora's focused. Is it on 5 yet, Nora?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Let's see, show me. Alright, so now you're pouring it in. Awesome. Okay, Nora has started mixing. And it started to get what, Nora?
Slimy.
Slimy. Alright, and Abigail, did you put it to the 5? Alright, let's see, show me. Alright, dump it in. So sometimes you need more or less of this magic potion, so it's okay if it's not completely measured exactly. All right, it's mixing time.
You do. You're fine, Mommy.
Are you doing it, Abigail?
Mommy, help me.
You're making slime, Abigail? What, Nora? So it depends on how slimy you want it, right? How slimy do you want it, Nora?
Like little slime like this.
Yeah, so we actually don't like a lot of slime. So we added the 4 ounces of glue in a bowl, and then we added 2 teaspoons of the magic potion, also known as eye contact solution, and you start stirring it, and you basically see what kind of texture you like. If you like it really slimy, then you don't add a lot of the magic potion. If you want it more thicker and denser, you can add more of the magic potion. So Nora likes it to be thicker and more dense and not so sticky. So we're going to add more of the magic potion right now. Let's see, Nora, how is it coming out?
Good and it's slimy. It's a little sticky. So it's still not really squishy and sticky. I guess it's time to put the glitter in.
All right, Nora wants to add some glitter because who doesn't like glitter?
Me.
Abigail, you need to stir, girlfriend.
Why?
Why? You gotta stir some more.
Hey, Mommy.
All right, let's see. You added the glitter.
I time to stir it some more to spread it all around.
Nice.
Time to mix now.
The slime coming along.
Good.
Wow, that looks really nice.
So done. And I put a glitter on it.
Glitters on it?
Yeah.
What color is glitter? I don't see the glitter.
Rainbow.
Oh, wow. Yes, I do see some glitters. Do you want to add more glitter?
Yeah.
Okay, what color do you want?
That color.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, I added that color one. But you have to put it in because I got all.
Alright, that will help you. So we are putting a lot of glitters.
Don't put too much.
Not as much is fine?
Not too much.
This is good? Or you want me to put more?
Not too much.
Okay.
I'm trying to mix it up.
Okay, alright, it's mixing up. Ooh, that slime looks so slimy. It's so much fun. Wow, Nora.
And play with it.
I know. I love playing it. Daddy wants to play with it too.
But you can't.
Why not?
Because they block it.
Okay. After vlog, maybe Daddy can play with it. What do you think?
Good. Yeah,
Are you a slime fairy?
I think so.
You are a slime fairy. Wow, Nora, look at that. Oh my god, that's so slimy.
Look at the rainbow.
I know, it's a rainbow slime. Ooh, that looks so nice. So it looks so much fun. Let me touch it. Ooh, look at that, guys. So slimy. Oh my god, look at that. It's so slimy. Went all the way to the top.
Oh, it's a left top.
Like, yeah. Nice. Abigail, see what Abigail's doing. Ooh, Abigail's done. Oh, the glitters. Nice, Abigail. I like it. Those glitter looks nice. Can you sit, Abigail? Yeah, sit into it. Look at that, Abigail. Ooh, look at that, Abigail. That's so cool, Abby. Let's put a little bit more. Yeah. What color do you want to put? Is that the color that we have? Alright, no, smush it, smush it. Yay! Oh my god, look at that smile. Ooh, Abigail. Wow, look at that. That looks really, really cool, guys. Nora is doing slime. Oh my, look at her. It's all on her hands. Wow, Abigail. Oh my god, that's so slimy. Yeah, wow, Abigail. Ew, but it's just so much fun. Oh, stuck. Got stuck, Abby. It's just sticky. Oh, Nora. Maybe we should put some like really cool small toys in there. What do you think? That'd be cool. Beads? Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's put some beads. That's a good idea, Mommy. Ooh, look at these colorful beads now. Yeah. So now we're gonna make it fun. So we're gonna make it our slime to be more fun, right, Nora?
Yeah.
Ooh, Abigail's gonna have more beads. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh wow! Show me, Daddy. Show Daddy. Oh wow, that's really cool. Wow, Abigail, did you find a special one too? Can you show Daddy? Wow, look at that. Look at Nora. That's so much fun with all the beads. Wow, it looks like a.
But that's falling off.
Yeah. You need to hide it inside so that it can be like, you know, some special treat. Right, Abigail? You can actually give it to your friends as well. Yeah, you can make these slimes and give it to your friends. You know what, Nora? What we can do? We can make it a gift for your friends and put a special beads inside for them to find it. And it's gonna be so much fun.
So we added the beads and the glitter, and if you have food coloring, you can also add food coloring. You could just add whatever you have at home to just make the slime even more fun for the kids. So slimy. Is it the perfect texture, Nora?
Yeah. Now all the beads is inside.
And what bead do you want to try to find? The star bead? Alright, let's see if we can find it.
I found it.
Nora found it! A pink star there. Nice. Oh, you're gonna cover your eyes and try to find it?
You gotta put all slimes together and mix it.
Okay, can you say it again?
Bye. Sure to come to our vlog every day, and you're welcome from watching our vlog. Bye.
So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. AKNavlog. We got a lot of fun videos, and the kids are enjoying, and what kind of adventures we're going on. So come catch us and catch our vlog. Bye. What are you doing, Nora?
Running back and forth.
Yeah, so the more you play with it and the more you touch it, the texture kind of changes, right?
That's nice and flat.
You can see the glitter inside.